Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Education is here. So in this tutorial, I'll be taking you through my full retouching process, which encompasses setting up the model or the image for frequency separation, how to set up your frequency separation layers, both for 16-bit images and then for 8-bit images. Also, I'll teach you how to apply a mixer brush tool for frequency separation and also fusing in the lasso tool method for frequency separation. I'll also take you through my unique dodge and bend method, my simple color grading, and then also I'll teach you how to whiten your model's teeth and eyes. Stay tuned because this is a lengthy video, but trust me, you're going to learn a lot from it. So before we start, we would have to duplicate the layer to be on a safer side so that we can work on the copy of that image. And then in this process, or for this process, we'll be preparing the image for frequency separation, meaning we'll be taking away unwanted particles or blemishes from the model and then the backdrop. And the next step is to create our frequency separation layers. So you know that we duplicate the layers into two by pressing Ctrl J on the keyboard, and then you name the first layer your high or texture layer, and then the second layer lower or tones. And then you toggle off the high texture layer and select your lower layer, your lower or tones. And then go to filter, blur, Gaussian blur, and then you must pay rapid attention here, because if you don't get the right radius for your image, you're going to lose out on the details or in the textures. So you select an area where there are more textures, and then you toggle through, or you can drag your radius to a point where you are losing textures on the model's face. So that is the point you need to stop, and that is the point you're going to get the accurate radius for your frequency separation. So with this model, at 6.2 we started losing the textures on the face, so that was where I stopped, and then I selected OK, and then you toggle on the high texture layer. Snap your radius, you select your high texture layer now, go to image, apply image, and then this first process is for 8-bit images. At my image is 16-bit. I'm going to show you how to set up an 8-bit image for frequency separation. So you make sure your source is selected, and then you want to blending mode, select subtract, and then you name the opacity at 100, the scale at 2, the offset at 128, and then you go to your channel or the layer. Sorry, go to your layer and select the lower layer. Yes, and then you don't toggle the present transparency. So this is for an 8-bit image, but for a 16-bit image, you come to your blending mode and then you select add, your scale at 1, and then your offset at 0. So your scale at 3, your offset at 0, and then you take invert. Make sure you take invert. So this is how to set up a 16-bit image for frequency separation. So you press OK, and then you go to your blending mode, select the high texture layer, you go to your blending, select linear light to bring back the image, and you select both layers, and then you Ctrl G with them, and you can name them frequency separation or FX. Yep. So with that done, you can now start applying that separation on the model screen. You select your mixer brush tool at the tool panel. Make sure clean brush is selected. My width is 9, range 75, next 90. You zoom out. sure you selected your lower all the tones. That is where you're going to apply the mixer brush. So you start applying your mixer brush to gradually on the models face according to the texture or the pattern of the face. So you don't just mix two areas without following their pattern. It's very, very important. You are mixing according to the pattern of the model's face. Yep. Use the page before and after. So what you're doing, you can just toggle through your before and after to see your process. Sorry, to see your progress in your application separation method. I'm going to skip this part and then I'll meet you at the end of the step part of the application separation. Okay, so welcome back. So let's talk you through before and after. So now I'll take you through how I use my lasso tool, how I use the lasso tool to also apply frequency separation to further smoothing the model skin, then equalize the tones and textures at a particular area that I couldn't use the mixer brush to. So you use your lasso to select an area, you go to filter, blur, version blur, and that the radius will take whilst you're setting up frequency separation will be available there. And the trick is to multiply it by 3 and then add 2 to it. And that is the trick I mostly use for lasso tool application. And you press OK. So you select the area, the pattern of the area. Shift Control F to apply retouching blur in that particular area. Select that area. Repeat or Shift Control F to apply retouching blur in that particular area. So I think you've applied too much of that particular area or that area that doesn't deserve a lot of version blur, you can reduce the intensity by clicking and going to faded blur to reduce the intensity of the version blur in that particular area. The opacity slider to reduce the intensity of the version blur on that particular area. So you continue applying the opacity method on areas that the brush, then apply the frequency separation very well there. Then we move on to the same thing there. Do the same thing there. Yeah. Basically, this is how I use the lasso to apply the frequency separation on the skin. So I apply both, or I use both methods when I'm doing my frequency separation. I don't use really the mixer brush, but I'm using both methods. Get equal tones on my model skin, then equal textures on the skin as well. So this stage you're going to use the point stamp tool to remove the blemishes on the model's face and strands of hair on the face of the model as well. So make sure you select the high texture without for the point stamp to work, because we are dealing with the textures now. So as you can see, I have selected the lower texture and then it wasn't working. So you have to select the high texture layer in order for the clean stamp to work. And then it works fabulously when you are removing the blemishes on the model screen, leaving no marks in the face of the model. I prefer using the clean stamp to other blemish removal tools, but it doesn't leave any mark. Just go through the before and after. And let's do create a stamp visible layer by pressing Ctrl Alt E, and then just to it back before and after. And let's zoom in to apply my new project then subject, duplicate the layer into name the first layer to change the blending mode of the first layer to multiply. So let me name the first layer to multiply so that we can do you actually know that we're going to set the blending mode. The blending mode known as multiply for that layer. Then the second layer of screen. Select the first layer and then select multiply. Then layer just turn off the multiply layer. So we click to get to our layer style. Come down to the blending. Using the underline layer, do the slider to our right in order to get the shadows. First Alt to break them apart, giving the shadows out. You also do the same for the screen layer. Toggle the slider to your left, break them apart by pressing Alt. Even it up, you press OK. With that done, you group the layers by pressing Ctrl J and select your layer mask, go to image, apply image, and then press OK. And then let's go through before and after. This is how I apply my dodge and bend. And then if you think it's too much, you can use the opacity slider to reduce the intensity. There you go. This is how I apply my dodge and bend. Very easy and very fast, very reliable as well. Let's create my image now. The simple method I use, create a solid layer. Okay, press OK, bring it down beneath the subject. Let it pick the tone of subject. Pick the medium tone from the subject. Then bring the solid layer to the top of the layer. Switch my blending mode and select soft light. I'm using the opacity slider. I reduce my opacity to about 57. So we need to match perfectly with the target tone. And with the dodge and bend layer mask, just copy it to a solid layer or my color grade layer. Going to fit in perfectly. And if you think it's too much or it's not enough, you can cover it through using the opacity slider. Then change. Okay. Going after. And the last thing is to tighten in the eyes of my model. In order to go to the adjustment layer, select hue and saturation. And that panel open. You desaturate your saturation, use your lightning. Set the layer mask. That apply separation, and then your brush to white selector. You brush the eyes, then whiten them actually. Okay? Whiten up the teeth as well. Sorry. So as you can see, it is a retouching process. No action was used. Everything was done manually. Although when I'm working on my images, I use actions frequently for all of my images because I wanted to take you guys through my full process. Try to use the manual process for all the processes and make something from it. So I think you can still make perfectly. Done. Very nice done. It's a very good retouching. It was done manually without any action. Thank you for watching.